Hey guys, Dr. Amelia Hayes here. And today we're talking about something super important for every man over 50. Something that can truly restore your manhood. Are you looking to boost your vitality? To feel stronger, more confident, and more you? Then you're in the right place. Stick with me because I'm going to share 6 simple exercises that can lead to harder erections and a real reclamation of your sexual health. And trust me, the most crucial tip is coming at the very end. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive in. First up, we have the child's pose. This isn't just for yoga fanatics, guys. It's a fantastic way to gently stretch your lower back, hips, and inner thighs, all areas that contribute to sexual function. Think of it as opening up the pathways. To do it, start on your hands and knees. Then, push your hips back towards your heels. Let your torso rest between your thighs and extend your arms forward, or keep them alongside your body, palms up. You should feel a gentle stretch. Breathe deeply here. Hold it for about 30 seconds to a minute. My tip for success: really focus on your breath. Inhale deeply, feeling your belly expand. Exhale slowly, letting go of any tension. This isn't about pushing yourself. It's about relaxation and opening up. The more relaxed you are, the more your body can benefit. This pose helps calm your nervous system, which is directly linked to your ability to achieve and maintain an erection. Stress, as you know, is a huge factor. So, relaxing here is a huge step. The benefits? Besides improving flexibility in key areas, child's pose helps to reduce stress and anxiety. And we all know that stress is a major enemy of a healthy sex life. By calming your mind and body, you're creating a much better environment for those harder erections we're talking about. It also gently stretches the pelvic floor muscles indirectly, preparing them for more targeted work. Next, let's move on to the butterfly stretch. This one is excellent for your inner thighs and groin, which are absolutely vital for blood flow and nerve function down there. How to do it? Sit on the floor with the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open to the sides, creating a diamond shape with your legs. You can hold onto your feet with your hands. For a deeper stretch, gently lean forward, keeping your back straight. You should feel a stretch in your inner thighs. Hold this for 30 seconds to a minute. My tip for success: don't force it. Your knees might not go all the way to the floor, and that's perfectly fine. Consistency is key here, not extreme flexibility on day one. With time, you'll notice more range of motion. You can also place cushions under your knees if it's too intense. The important thing is to feel a gentle stretch, not pain. Imagine you're opening up a book and your legs are the pages. The benefits here are significant. The butterfly stretch increases blood flow to the pelvic region. Good circulation is absolutely critical for erectile function. It helps to loosen up tight adductor muscles, which can otherwise restrict blood flow and nerve signals. Plus, it can alleviate tension in the hips, which many men carry without even realizing it. More blood flow means more robust erections, plain and simple. All right, now we're getting a bit more active with the lying hover leg clap. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your lower abs and hip flexors, which are essential for core stability and also support your pelvic floor. Here's how. Lie on your back with your legs extended straight up towards the ceiling at a 90-degree angle from your body. Now, slowly lower your legs towards the floor, keeping them straight until they are just a few inches off the ground, hovering. From this hovering position, open your legs out wide, then clap them back together. That's 1 rep. Try to do 10 to 15 reps. My tip for success: the most important thing here is to keep your lower back pressed firmly into the floor. If you feel your back arching, your legs are probably too low, or your core isn't engaged enough. Don't sacrifice form for depth. It's better to keep your legs a little higher if it means protecting your back. Engage your core as if you're bracing for a punch. This will protect your back and make the exercise more effective. The benefits of the lying hover leg clap are about building a stronger foundation. A strong core supports everything else. It helps improve overall body control and stability. More directly, it strengthens the deep abdominal muscles, which work in conjunction with your pelvic floor. When these muscles are stronger, they contribute to better support for the pelvic organs and can enhance the muscular contractions that occur during an erection. Think of it as creating a more powerful engine in your core. Moving on, we have the lying bent leg raise. This exercise targets your lower abdominal muscles even more directly and also helps with hip flexor strength, which is surprisingly important for sexual health. How to do it? Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Now, slowly lift your bent knees towards your chest. Then, extend your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Slowly lower your legs back to the starting position, keeping them bent as you lower. That's 1 rep. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. My tip for success: control is everything here. Don't use momentum. The movement should be slow and deliberate, both on the way up and on the way down. Imagine you're drawing an invisible arc with your knees. And again, keep that lower back pressed into the floor throughout the entire movement. If you rush it, you're not getting the full benefit and you risk straining your back. Focus on feeling those lower abs working. The benefits? This exercise effectively strengthens the lower rectus abdominis and the hip flexors. Stronger hip flexors mean better mobility and less strain on your lower back. When your core and hip flexors are strong, it helps to improve posture and reduce back pain, which can often be a silent contributor to sexual dysfunction. Think about it. If you're in pain or uncomfortable, it's hard to focus on intimacy. By strengthening these areas, you're building a more robust and pain-free body, which directly impacts your ability to perform and enjoy sex. Now for something that seems simple, but is incredibly effective: the march. This isn't just walking in place. It's a controlled exercise that engages your core, hips, and helps with balance and coordination. And yes, it plays a role in your sexual health. To do it, stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Engage your core. Slowly lift one knee towards your chest, as high as comfortable, keeping your back straight. Hold for a second, then slowly lower it back down. Alternate legs, just like you're marching in place, but in a very controlled, deliberate way. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. My tip for success: don't let your hips sway. Keep your core tight and focus on maintaining your balance. Imagine you have a glass of water on your head. You don't want to spill it. The slower and more controlled you are, the more you'll activate those deep stabilizing muscles. You can hold onto a wall or chair if you need help with balance initially. The goal isn't speed, it's precision and engagement. The benefits of the march are surprisingly far-reaching. It improves balance and stability, which becomes more important as we age. It strengthens the hip flexors and deep core muscles. But here's the often overlooked benefit: it enhances coordination and proprioception, your body's awareness of its position in space. This can translate into better control during sexual activity. It also promotes circulation throughout the lower body and pelvis, ensuring those vital areas are receiving adequate blood flow. It's a foundational movement that primes your body for more complex activities and greater control. Finally, we have the plank sidewalk. This is a full-body exercise that seriously challenges your core, shoulders, and hips, bringing everything together for ultimate stability and strength. How to do it: get into a standard plank position, on your forearms and toes, body in a straight line from head to heels. Now, take a small step to the side with your right hand and right foot simultaneously. Then, follow with your left hand and left foot, moving to the right. Take 2 steps to the right, then 2 steps back to the left. Keep your hips as still as possible. Aim for 30 to 60 seconds, or 5 to 10 walks in each direction. My tip for success: the key here is to minimize hip movement. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. Imagine you have a tray of drinks on your lower back, and you don't want to spill them. Keep your core incredibly tight. If it's too difficult, you can start by just holding a regular plank for longer, then gradually introduce the side steps. Small steps are better than big, uncontrolled ones. Focus on stability over distance. The benefits are immense. The plank sidewalk builds incredible core strength and endurance, including those deep stabilizing muscles. It also strengthens your shoulders and glutes. How does this relate to harder erections? A strong and stable core provides the foundation for powerful pelvic floor function. It improves overall body control and stamina, which can directly translate to improved sexual performance and satisfaction. When your entire body feels strong and integrated, your sexual energy naturally gets a boost. It's about building a robust, resilient body from the inside out. So there you have it, 6 powerful exercises to help you boost your vitality, achieve harder erections, and truly restore your manhood. Now, I promised you a crucial tip at the very end, didn't I? Well, here it is. Consistency and patience are your most powerful allies. You won't see dramatic changes overnight, but by integrating these exercises into your routine a few times a week and sticking with it, you will notice a difference. Combine these with a healthy diet, good sleep, and stress management, and you're creating a holistic approach to reclaiming your sexual health. Don't just do them once and forget them. Make them a part of your life. And remember, true manhood isn't just about what happens in the bedroom. It's about feeling strong, healthy, and confident in every aspect of your life. These exercises are a fantastic step in that direction. I truly hope this helps you on your journey to feeling your best. What do you guys think? Have you tried any of these exercises before? Do you have other tips that have worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. Your experiences can help so many other men in our community. And if you have any questions at all about men's health, don't hesitate to ask. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them in future videos. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I'll see you next time.